Hey everyone, my name is Amaron and welcome back to Pocket Mortys, made by, about Rick and Morty, Adult Swim. I am sick, so my voice is a bit weird. And I have been doing some grinding, so I have a few Mortys. I got Splice Morty, Soldier Morty, Animatronic Morty, Scruffy Morty, and Morty Morty. I had a few varieties. Hold on, I'll show you guys this. Hold on. Yeah, right here. Oh, dang it. Okay, this is basically they can. Oh no. Yep, storage. Wait. Okay, hold on. Where are my Mortys? Hold on. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Yeah, they are all. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so self-defense Morty is not here. Self-defense Morty looks like a karate Morty, actually. Where is it? Yep. So yeah, I basically got a few varieties, and don't worry, I didn't defeat any of the big guys. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, and I defeat a few. Hold on. Let's go. Oh, I really don't fight right yet.
He who smelt it, dealt it. You know what I'm talking about, Morty?
Oh, hello. Wild Man Morty.
Morty, shut up, Rick.
Oh, okay. Outburst. Ha ha ha. Wait, okay. So yeah, the Mortys up leveled a bit, and now I have Cry as well. Okay, make his defense fail. Okay, if you didn't see my other episode, so for those that are new, Pocket Mortys Pokemons of Rick and Morty basically. Oh shoot, I forgot. I just switch to this one so I can catch.
You gotta win this one, Morty. I'm doing the best I can.
Damn it, I have to kill him. What? Oh yeah. Oh, never mind. Let's just. No, I won't run. Since I can't catch you, I'll kill you. I'm sorry. If I can't have you, no one can. Yeah, schmeckles and a battery. Dang it. Ooh, a rough man Rick.
Oh, you think your Mortys are better than me?
Huh.
Do it for me,
Wow,
Morty.
mascot.
Okay.
Wait, no. Switch to paper to scissors.
You gotta win this one, Morty. I'm doing the best I can.
Spliced Morty. Kinda weird though. What is this? Attack fell. Oh, okay, so that's just that. Neutralize. Legalize nuclear bomb. Die. Die. Please just die. I just want to win. Come on. That's a lot of XP. Ooh. Scruffy. Oh, dang it. Well, I can make this guy weak before I die. It's sensational. Paper. Reminisce. Ooh. Greaser. Outburst. Yay. Double Morty. Let's continue. Never mind, I'm just gonna switch. Wait, what? Oh, your scissor. Yeah. Scruffy. Slap. Yes. Yes. 24 XP, 8x. You're probably paper, so I'll just switch to scissors.
You gotta win this one, Morty. I'm doing the best I can.
I was right. Melt. That's a lot of damage. Sorry, Maple Leaf Morty. Guys, luckily I don't have COVID. It's just like a very bad sore throat and fever. I could barely sleep last night. Manipulate the chip. Hey, I'm Mr. Me6. Look at me. I'm sorry. I'm gonna fight you later. Oh, by the way, so those who don't know Mr. Me6 somehow, okay, Mr. Me6, they hate existing. Yes. Wait, I can combine you. I have to catch you.
Care of him, Morty.
Wait, did I already catch you? Can I catch you? Can I catch you? Can I catch you? Then I can combine. Just now I did see an option to combine or something. Can I catch you? That looks like it just got stabbed into his eye. Yes. Yay. But then my dudes are kinda almost dead. Okay, I think I can do this.
Come on.
I can do this. Mutagen Morty.
Shut up, Rick.
I probably should have pressed Fixer Upper. I think that might have been heal.
Morty, what is this?
Maybe there was a heal? I'm not sure.
You can do it, Morty. You just gotta get in there and do it.
Yay. Yeah, we'll continue. And it's another freaking paper. Yeah, I'll switch.
Time to take out the trash, Morty.
Oh, my body hurts so much right now. What? Stop trying to neutralize me, please. 6 points and 2. Flannel Mortys. That nope, never mind. Nope.
Time to take him out.
Why is his eye like that? No! Oh my god, I accidentally pressed flail. Don't press reminisce. Reminisce. Mortys. You look like you're in pain. I probably should have switched to scissors.
Take care of him, Morty.
Okay, bye bye. Yes.
Why don't you go get some better Mortys, you loser?
Haha. Schnisha bloop. Yes. Oh. Can restore a dazed Morty. Let's fight. I don't care.
Hey, you.
Plumber slave.
Away we go, Morty.
And away we go. Dang it. I still do a pretty good amount of damage though, so that's nice. Bye bye. Ooh. Bye bye. How are you not dead? Gooey discharge. What kind of move is that? Gooey discharge. I'm gonna discharge my gooiness all over you. I should not have said that. Die. Blue shirt Morty. Excuse me, are you Rick Morty?
You might want to go look for some better Mortys.
Oh, I got another manipulator chip. Yeah, sure, whatever. You say that. Nah, they should be fine. Hopefully. Time to fight you. The hockey stick, Morty. Junkyard Rick. Yeah, I'm hard. I'm hard. I'm pretty sure I'm hard.
Around this level.
Rabbit Morty. He looks so sad. Why does he look so sad? Okay, now you're gonna die. Bye bye. How do you live? Haha! Level 10. Yay! Stick Morty. Another scissors, makes sense. What is belch? Let's see. Oh! That feels useless. Serum. Dang it. I don't think you're supposed to insert it into the brain.
It's just really cruel.
I do need this. I'm just gonna heal one more time. Aha! Flail. Will you just die? Continue. Sit up, Morty. 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 Where's Morty? Morty. How do you have one health? Morty. Continue. Now you die. Die, Morty. Die, Morty.
You think you can beat me with Mortys that weak? I don't think so.
Yay, I received the badge. Bruh. Haha. Okay, now I need to go heal. Heal. Yes, please. Thank you. Now I can combine. Oh! Karate Mote. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I need to put him out of my party first. Hold on, multi that, yeah. I've seen 40, but I only caught 7. Cool. Hold on, wait, what? Bruh. Yeah, storage. Okay. Now I can put you into boot camp. For 24 hours to be added. Yep. Yay. Expedite. Okay, I don't have coupons though. Let's go find some more Mortys. What the? Why? What can I make? What can I make? Should I make that? I'm gonna like craft some random stuff because I'm not sure. A blocks of slavery with extra steps. I saw that episode, it was hilarious. Robot! For good or evil. But the robot. What else can I make? Rocket Roy, IQ, enhancing helmet. It didn't go so well for Snuffles though. Or now Snowball, technically. Okay, let's see what the stuff can do. Seriously, that's all? How am I supposed to find quests? Hey, user. Gloopa Hacken. What about you? Yes, sure. That's what they all say. Oh my god, my throat. Move! Oh, you got mission? Make a quick buck. I can't help you with that. Oh? I'll invest. I'm gonna invest in all. Bro, I'm rich. Okay, thank you. Let's go. I'm gonna be rich. I'm gonna be rich. Can I not choose? Oh, okay. What the? Can I bamboozle this dude? Oh, shoot, never mind. Wrong thing, hold on. Wait, don't leave. Oh, seriously? Okay. This is Plumbonia Mortys. Let's go with paper. Soldier Morty.
Rip them apart, Morty.
Yeah, rip them apart, Morty. Reminisce. I'm gonna gotta catch them all. Outburst. And I'm gonna catch them.
It just seems really cruel.
I know it does, but it's what I have to do. It's what I need to do. Beep 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 beep. Yay. Caught another Morty. I know it seems very like torturing, but come on, it's how we're supposed to do this. Items. I'll buy these. Restores the to. Ooh. I'll get one. Yay. Got 120, got one, and one more Hellzinger. No, not yet. Just now ate not that long ago. And also, who won? Oh, I thought it was just for that one competition. If for total, dang. Car. Everybody drink water. While you're drinking water and type it, let me know how's your day down in the comments. I hope you all are having a nice day. Because I'm not. I'm suffering. By kicking you out. Blarg. Oh.
Morty, shut up, Rick.
I forgot about this, Morty. Okay, let's try you. Karate Mote. Come on. This one is weak. This Morty is weak, but at the same time kind of not. It doesn't have the rock move for some reason. Why do you not have the rock move? Come on. Yay. Now what's the next one? Peace. I will switch indeed. Scissor.
Do it for me, Morty. Okay, okay.
Oh, I actually called it, but literally doesn't have it either. Yeah, the best I could do is neutralize legalize nuclear bombs. Oh, my throat hurts. My throat feels so scratchy. Level 7, yay! Parade Morty. I will switch. Scruffy!
Rip him apart, Morty.
I'm sorry, Scruffy. Go, soldier! And reminisce. Let's see how much damage the outburst will do. Kill? It's a kill! I mean, it's a daze, yes. What? Floopy Sloop Morty. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'll just switch.
Get him, Morty.
Scuttle. Accuracy fell. And he evade. Now let's neutralize. And it's still kind of weak. We'll just die. Don't cell splinter me. Yay! 48 schmeckos. Yeah, I know, I don't care. Let's fight. Gaggy Gabber. Grabbers Braga Grump Grah. What the frick?
Let me down, Morty. I'm trying my hardest.
What is you? What equals you?
Away we go, Morty.
Uh-oh. What the heck?
What the hell is that, Morty?
can I do?
Take him out, Morty.
That was such a... What the heck? What the heck? No! No! Bruh.
Put me down, Morty. Try my hardest.
We just die. 2, 3. What the heck? Just die! What the heck?
Morty, it's embarrassing.
Time for the main Morty. Our Morty. Okay, finally got him. I'm gonna stay with you. Android. I don't see anything resembling Android. Unless maybe it's just because he's extra shiny. Maybe it's because of that. Die. How are you not dying?
What was that, Morty?
Well, I'm gonna die.
Take care of him, Morty.
Take care of a Morty. I don't... Yeah, I'm just gonna get killed by a child. What the heck? I'm gonna get killed by a child. I'm getting killed by a child. Die. I didn't mean me. I didn't mean me.
You can't even trust
Wubba lubba dub dub. BP. BP. Thank you.
You know, sometimes you gotta stop and swallow roses. A little bit of wisdom.
No. Which one is already done? This one within 2 minutes and 50 minutes. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I have let me know what you think about this game. I kinda like it. Oh, what the? And I caught some exotic ones. You know, it feels kinda nice, a bit nostalgic for Pokemon, the good old days, and you know, one of the best shows to watch. Family Guys. Yeah, Family. I mean, Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. You get to see the two duos turn into a freaking Pokemon ripoff. Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Drink some water and enjoy your day.